The State Commissioner of Works, Land and Housing, Abdulmuni Sadiq, along with the Managing Director of Kogi State Road Maintenance Agency, said acquiring the equipment will speed up the repair of bad roads in and around the state.
As we witness the supply of heavy earth equipment today to the Kogi State Road Maintenance Agency, we can be assured that the agency is further strengthened and positioned to deliver on its mandate of providing all year-round efficient and effective road maintenance in Kogi State.
The additional road construction equipment, all things being equal, will assist in facilitating a statewide coverage of road maintenance activities. It will also enable the agency to respond more quickly to emergencies, especially during the rainy seasons.
Governor Bello said the aim is to ensure that government agencies are well equipped to carry out their responsibilities.
I want to urge the management, the MD and management and staff of Kogroma and Ministry of Works to utilize these equipments to the benefit of the people of Kogi State and maintain these equipments very well. If you don't maintain it adequately, it will go bad and spoil in no time. So maintenance culture must be adhered to. We can't award contracts in billions again. Rather, the little resources that are at our disposal, we shall use our own equipment and our labor to carry it out and then save the remaining money for other things.
Governor Bello also promised to focus on the construction and repair of rural roads from where farmers can transport their produce to markets within and outside the state. Avoy Unwogu, AIT News, Lokoja.